Alright, we are back with a quick video. This is a $30 Makita knockoff, and we're gonna see if we can bust these lug nuts off. You guys are probably tired of watching lug nuts get busted off, but for a practical situation, for a $30 tool, if this will bust lug nuts off at 100 foot-pounds, this would be a good option for anybody to buy. Maybe not necessarily a professional, but at 30 bucks, if this gets the job done, why spend 150? About 100. Alright, well, let me know what you thought. This is a Makita knockoff. It has a low speed, a medium speed, and a high speed. And pretty good for 30 bucks. Thanks for watching.